Hello, little artists. Today we're going to draw a cute fish together. So grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. First, let's draw a simple shape for the fish's face. A rounded square. Now let's add two small eyes, one on the right and one on the left. To make our fish look happy, we'll draw a little smiling mouth. Next, let's draw the back fin on top of the fish's head. Now, we'll add the right fin. Then, we'll do the same for the left fin to complete our fish's body. Great job! Now it's time for coloring. We'll use blue for the fish's body. For the fins and the back fin, we'll use orange to make it look even cuter. And we're done! Now we have a lovely little fish. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like and share. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.